Hi, it's Dr. Hadid in Beverly Hills, California, and I want to talk about what the recovery process looks like after you've had silicone or biopolymer injections removed from your body. Now, it does depend on how much and how extensive the surgery is. For example, if there are little areas from the face that we're addressing, then typically the recovery isn't too bad. However, if we're talking about a much larger area, for example, removing silicone from the buttocks or the hips, where we have to do a lot of surgery in order to remove that silicone that has been injected, then typically the recovery process is going to be a little bit longer. And we do typically treat these like you've had a BBL, for example, if we're removing it from the buttocks. So post-surgery, we want you to walk around as much as possible, but you do have to wear a compression garment for about 6 weeks after surgery. And that's to help control some of the swelling that you could normally expect to get after the surgical procedure has been completed. Now, if we're specifically talking about the buttocks, we do have to treat this like a BBL procedure, so you do want to avoid prolonged sitting on your butt for about 6 weeks after surgery. And it's advisable to sleep on a BBL pillow and relieve a lot of that pressure off of the buttocks while it's trying to heal. So depending on the area of the body that we're removing the silicone from, the recovery process is going to be a little bit different, ranging from just a few days to several weeks, but it's important to follow the post-operative protocol in order to maintain your results after surgery.